Good morning, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Wednesday, January the 20th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we left with the market yesterday. So SPX, right, so was up yesterday. Again, we're green on the monthly chart here over the upper Bollinger Band. Double inside week. It's like they're waiting on some big news or something like that. Oh, yeah, today's inauguration day, so let's see how that goes. That starts at the ceremony start at 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. So let's see how that goes here today. Let's take a look at the daily chart again. We're still generally pretty bullish here on the SPX. Our wave count is still playing out. We got back above the ADMA here, and we're back in the upper channel, so let's see if this subwave 5 ends up working its way out here. If not, and if we lose the ADMA and we lose Friday's close, look out below. We could test the, we could invalidate this count here and test the bottom of this wave 1 candle right here is 36.95. Geometric line, 50-day moving average, and of course we've got some macro trend lines below, and we've got, of course, the cloud there too. So let's see how that goes there going into today. Let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's looking here this morning. So generally trying to climb its way up here today. So we got an upward trend line here from the other day. So we're just going to see it's kind of steep. So let's see how it holds here going into today. If this holds, right, we'll continue to stay with the trend. If it breaks down, watch out below, right? That's kind of the game plan going into today. S&P futures, again, we've got another real gap heading here today. We're over yesterday's RTH high. So again, we're about up less than 10 points. So look for the fade at the open. If they fail to fade at the open, look for it to continue to a gap and go to the upside. Again, news could affect things today, right? So look for shenanigans, stuff like that. And we'll see how we handle it, right? If we same game plan as yesterday. If we get into the yesterday's gap and it holds, and we don't overlap value areas, right? Look for an end of the day move. Otherwise, we'll see if it tests a couple of these ranges here below this signal zone in yesterday's close. Look out below, right? Could start to see some action down there. So not a lot of space. Right? It's got a lot of space there to contend with. So good stuff there. Again, geometric lines on the MES here, basically just a fresh trend line from overnight. So we got this here, high, low. It will just intersect right there, and see how that holds here through the rest of the day. So good stuff there. Let's see with the Qs and see how they're looking here this morning. So Q's looking a little bit rising wedges here today, so pretty steep, right? So see how it holds that going into the open market. The IWM really just kind of chopping right here, getting really tight. So let's see how that holds. Maybe it's waiting until after the inauguration to start moving here. So looking pretty interesting there. A couple more financial names reporting today. We had Goldman Sachs, Bank of America yesterday. I think today we've got Morgan Stanley and a couple other ones. So keep an eye on that. Of course, we had Netflix yesterday, which we'll look at in a little bit as well. Let's take a look at Apple and see how it's behaving here this morning. It's gapping up a little bit here. We talked about there being a potential bull flag going into the close yesterday. So let's see if Apple continues to work its way up. Now it's starting to look sort of like a inverse head and shoulders, right, with the neckline right there. So see how that holds for Apple going into today. Let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla, multiple upgrades this morning. Again, NR7 inside day yesterday, right? Narrowest range in 7 days. Inside day Harami. So not surprised to see that contraction turn to expansion. Imagine that. It's pushing up. So look for a potential squeeze out of some shorts on that upgrade here today. So we'll see how that goes there. Other than that, we're going to take a look at some of the charts for our Bubble Report subscribers and our Elite Access members. So thanks everybody for tuning in. Hope everybody has a great day and enjoyed the free video. And we'll see you guys at lunchtime market update. Till then, stay healthy out there. Remember, risk first and stay safe. See you and stay in the game. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.